Hello. Now we are going to show you how to resolve the problem needle miss when knitting. You can see there's defects on this fabric. Now we are making plain jersey, but there is the one needle dropped from the beginning to the end. So there are 3 technical points we need to pay attention to it. First, we need to examine the needle, if the needle is good or not. Sometimes the needle hook broke or needle head broke. This is the first point. Second point, in order to show you more clearly, we will remove the brass before demonstrate. Another point is the feeder, young feeder. You see, this is 12 gauge machine. Usually the position of the feeder tip always away from the knitting edge is 8 needle distance, but is clearly far away from the side. So we need to adjust the feeder. Now we push the carrier down. I use star screwdriver. Now the pressing is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 or 9 needle is okay. Another point is the feeder tip of the hole is too high from the needle latch, so we need to turn down the feeder. The height is usually 2.2 to 3 millimeter high from the cross point, the front needle and back needle cross point. This position is right. Now the yarn can be cast easily by the front needle hook. You see, when the needle goes down, it can easily cast the yarn. Another point is we need to check the selection. Because we are doing the plain jersey, all the needles were selected, so it means selection is okay. Now we fix back the brass. Now we already fixed back the brass. Now we can see the knitting is normal. No needle miss.